Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. And all we have to do is to launch our TikTok application. And then in the case that we decided to look for a photo swipe like this one, and we decided to swipe and it wasn't able to swipe, all we have to do is to make sure that we've added multiple photographs and that it's actually first we need to make sure that the multiple photographs that you are going to add is actually supported by TikTok. And another thing that we can actually do to head on over to our settings, so I'm going to press on TikTok application, then I'm going to head on over to app info. From there, I'm going to force stop. I'm going to accept the problems that it comes with if I force stop the TikTok applications. Another thing is to tap on storage and cache, and then I'm going to clear the cache. From there, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back again. Then I'm going to tap on the settings icon, and I'm going to make sure that my device is updated to the latest version. And as you can see, I do not have any new features to be expected or that need to be updated to my system. Another thing is I am going to make sure that my TikTok application is updated to the latest version. And in the case that you do have any TikTok update, I would suggest that you update it to the latest version. And lastly, we are going to check in between our Wi-Fi and data bundles which has a strong connection. And if our Wi-Fi has, we are going to choose it. And if data bundle has, we are going to do the same thing. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.